Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka 31. When he, man, sees the whole variety of beings as resting in the one and spreading forth from that one alone, he then becomes Brahman.
यदा भूतपृथग्भावम् एकस्तम् अनुपश्यति तत एव च विस्तारम् ब्रह्म सम्पद्यते तदा.
Chapter 13, Shloka 31. While explaining the self as the source of all beings, the Lord indicates the state of the man who can declare that he has had full experience of the Infinite One. That the atoms are the physical units of matter is only partial understanding. Complete understanding is when you know at once that these atoms in different combinations of numbers and patterns create the world of infinite forms and qualities. Similarly, to know that the self is the ultimate truth behind the names and forms is in itself only a partial knowledge. The complete understanding of life can arise only when we at once understand how from the self the endless multiplicity of names and forms rise up and spread to become the universe. All the waves are in the ocean and also all the waves rise from the ocean. Similarly, a man of right understanding can recognize the separate existence of all beings in the one, and also the expansion of plurality from that one alone. When the man of wisdom experiences the one self everywhere, not only in the measureless infinite, but also in the superficial world of names and forms, he becomes Brahman. He understands how on his coming into the body awareness, world of plurality veils the infinite and makes it look differently when its perishable names and forms. Such a person is of true wisdom and right perception. The self alone can recognize the self who has transcended his own equipments and has come to identify himself with the one consciousness everywhere. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.